there. Today we'll be demonstrating the differences between chemical and physical changes. In order to do this, we will be demonstrating the different indicators to determine whether something is physical or chemical. Take this glass of wine for example. It gets its lovely aromas from a process in which yeast converts sugars into alcohol. This process is known as fermentation.
Interesting. And this is a physical reaction. As you can tell, no new substance was made. The wine just stained its shirt.
Moving on, though it may not be apparent to some, heat off a grill seared the natural amino acids in sugar to caramelize and make an absolute exquisite crust on this steak. The browning of food is known as the Maillard reaction, named after French chemist Louis-Camille Maillard. The browning of food can also be seen on various other foods like French fries and, once more, a various amount of other foods.
Cool. And as you can see here, only the texture of this steak was changed by this here sandpaper. And since no new substance was made, this is a physical reaction.
Now, let's look at an absolute classic chemical change, that being vinegar and baking soda. Since this is an acid-base reaction, the acetic acid reacts with the... Oh, well, that sucks.
Oh god. Oh my god.
There we go. Okay, so what's going on here is the acetic acid is reacting with the bicarb, aka baking soda, to produce water and some sort of salt, in this case, sodium acetate. Well, actually, before it becomes water, it first produces carbonic acid, which then quickly breaks down into water and carbon dioxide. We can actually capture this carbon dioxide with a little help of this balloon. Now, as you can see,
Okay guys, so today we have a 1,000-degree knife, which undergone no chemical change as the change in temperature went through, created no new substance, versus that balloon. Wow! I was not expecting that! Now, for a change of shape. To do that, I'm gonna saw this wood in half. That's a lot of damage. And as you can see, since no new substance...
As you can see, this bimbo did absolutely nothing to change the chemical compound of this. Let's fix it, shall we? As you can see, this piece of wood is completely charred. A new substance has been formed called soot. And as it is formed, it's clearly a chemical reaction. Now, to demonstrate temperature, what we have here is a hydrocarbon, in this case, isopropyl alcohol, which is going to undergo a combustion reaction with a little help of this match. As a result of this exothermic reaction, carbon dioxide was produced, and as you can see, a trace amount of hydrogen hydroxide, or more commonly referred to as water. Now that reaction was...
Boring! Y'all want to see something really cool? Watch this. Now that's a reaction. A physical reaction, as the change in temperature just went through, created no new substance.
Now, if that doesn't teach you the difference between a chemical and physical reaction, I don't know what will.
I do. Google.
I hate you.
Don't worry, I hate me too.
Now, as you can see, I completely charred this block of wood. The substance on it is called soot, right?
Boring. I want to see a really cool reaction. Watch this. That's a reaction.
Action.
Now, I believe that reaction was...
Boring. Y'all want to see something really cool? Watch this.
Now,
Wow, that's a lot of damage. That's a lot of damage. Now that's a lot of damage.
And it created a black residue called soot. As it was being formed, as it was... So, to demonstrate temperature, what we have here is a hydrocarbon, in this case, isopropyl alcohol, which is going to undergo a combustion reaction. There's my V. It's alcohol on the counter.
I hate me too.
Good going, guys.
good job.
Watch this.